Welcome back to Learning English with Megan and David.
We're so glad you could join us today.
Hello and welcome to Learning English with Megan and David.
I'm Megan.
And I'm David.
Today's episode is special.
We're talking to construction workers.
If you work in construction, this episode is for you.
We are going to teach you English you need at the worksite.
Simple, practical English.
Not textbook English, real worksite English.
Construction workers are the backbone of every city.
You build homes, offices, roads, bridges.
Your work is so important.
And we want to help you communicate better at work.
Let's start with the basics.
The most important words for safety.
Because safety is the most important thing in any worksite.
First word, stop.
This is urgent. Say it loud and clear.
Say it with me. Stop.
Pause.
Again, stop.
Pause.
Good. Next word, wait.
This means don't move yet.
Say it. Wait.
Pause.
Another important word, careful.
Or be careful.
This is a warning.
Say it. Be careful.
Pause.
You can also say, watch out.
This means danger is near.
Say it loud. Watch out.
Pause.
Perfect.
These 4 phrases can save lives.
Stop, wait, be careful, watch out.
Use them when you see danger.
Now let's talk about tools.
You need to know tool names in English.
Hammer.
Say it. Hammer.
Pause.
Drill.
Say it. Drill.
Pause. Saw.
Say it. Saw.
Pause. Screwdriver.
Say it. Screwdriver.
Pause. Wrench.
Say it. Wrench.
Pause. Level.
Say it. Level.
Pause. Tape measure.
Say it. Tape measure.
Pause. Good job.
Now, how do you ask for a tool?
You can say, can I have the hammer?
Or, pass me the drill.
Or, I need the saw.
Try it. Can I have the hammer?
Pause. Try another. I need the drill.
Pause. Perfect.
Now let's talk about materials.
Materials are what you build with.
Wood.
Say it. Wood.
Pause. Concrete.
Say it. Concrete.
Pause. Metal.
Say it. Metal.
Pause. Brick.
Say it. Brick.
Pause. Drywall.
Say it. Drywall.
Pause. Good. Now let's hear a worksite conversation.
Listen carefully.
Hey, can you pass me the hammer?
Sure. Here you go.
Thanks. I need to finish this wall.
Do you need help?
Yeah, can you hold this board steady?
No problem.
Did you hear that? Very simple.
Short sentences.
Clear communication.
That's all you need.
Let's hear another conversation.
Where's the drill?
It's in the truck.
Can you get it for me?
Sure, give me a minute.
Thanks.
See? Very practical.
Now let's practice.
I'll ask you for a tool.
You respond.
Can you pass me the wrench?
Say, sure, or here you go, or it's over there.
Pause. Good. Let's try another. Where's the tape measure?
Answer. Say where it is.
Pause.
Perfect.
Now let's talk about asking for help.
You can say, can you help me?
Or, I need help.
Or, can you give me a hand?
Give me a hand means help me.
Try it. Can you help me?
Pause.
Try another. Can you give me a hand?
Pause. Good.
You can say what kind of help you need.
Like, can you help me lift this?
Or, can you hold this for me?
Or, can you help me carry this?
Try it. Can you help me lift this?
Pause.
Perfect.
Now let's talk about understanding instructions.
Your supervisor or foreman will give you instructions.
You need to understand them.
But if you don't understand, that's okay.
You can say, can you repeat that?
Or, I don't understand.
Or, can you show me?
Try it. Can you repeat that?
Pause.
Try another. Can you show me?
Pause. Excellent.
Never pretend to understand.
If you don't understand, ask.
It's safer that way.
Let's hear a conversation about instructions.
I need you to install this drywall here.
Okay, can you show me where exactly?
Right here, from the floor to the ceiling.
Got it. Do you want me to start now?
Yes, please.
Did you hear that? Very simple.
Short sentences.
Clear communication.
That's all you need.
Let's hear another conversation.
Where's the drill?
It's in the truck.
Can you get it for me?
Sure, give me a minute.
Thanks.
See? Very practical.
Now let's talk about time.
You need to talk about when things happen.
You can say, I'll do it now,
Or, I'll do it later.
or I'll do it after lunch.
Try it. I'll do it now.
Pause. Try another. I'll do it after lunch.
Pause. Good. You can also say, I'm almost done.
Or I'm finished.
Or, I need more time.
Try it. I'm almost done.
Pause.
Perfect.
Let's review what we learned so far.
Safety words: stop, wait, be careful, watch out.
Tools: hammer, drill, saw, screwdriver, wrench, level, tape measure.
Materials: wood, concrete, metal, brick, drywall.
Asking for tools. Can I have the hammer?
I need the drill.
Asking for help. Can you help me?
Can you give me a hand?
When you don't understand, can you repeat that?
Can you show me?
Talking about time. I'll do it now.
I'm almost done.
In part 2, we'll talk about breaks and lunch.
And talking with your coworkers.
And what to say when there's a problem.
See you in part 2.
You're doing great.
Really great.
Welcome back to part 2.
Thank you for staying with us.
In part 1, we learned basic Worksite English.
Safety words, tools, materials, and asking for help.
Now let's talk about your workday.
Starting with the morning.
When you arrive at work, you greet people.
You can say good morning.
Or just morning.
Try it. Good morning.
Pause.
You can also say, how's it going?
Or ready for work?
These are friendly greetings.
Try it. How's it going?
Pause.
Good.
Now let's talk about breaks.
You need to know when break time is.
You can ask, when's lunch?
Or when's break time?
Try it. When's lunch?
Pause.
If you need a break, you can say, I need a break.
Or can I take a quick break?
Or, I need some water.
Try it. Can I take a quick break?
Pause.
Perfect.
Let's hear a conversation about breaks.
When's lunch today?
Noon, in about 30 minutes.
Okay, thanks. I'm getting hungry.
Yeah, me too.
Did you hear that? Simple question about lunchtime.
Now let's talk about the bathroom.
You can say, where's the bathroom?
Or, I need to use the bathroom.
Or I'll be right back.
Try it. Where's the bathroom?
Pause. Good.
Now let's talk about reporting problems.
Sometimes something breaks or there's a problem.
You need to tell your supervisor.
You can say, there's a problem.
Or, this is broken.
Or this doesn't work.
Try it. This is broken.
Pause.
You can explain what the problem is.
Like, the drill is broken.
Or, we need more wood.
Or the truck won't start.
Try it. We need more wood.
Pause. Perfect. Let's hear a conversation about a problem. Hey boss, there's a problem.
What's wrong?
The saw isn't working. I think it's broken.
Okay, use the other one for now. I'll check it later.
Got it.
Did you hear that?
Clear report of the problem.
And a clear response.
Now let's talk about weather.
Construction workers work outside a lot.
Weather matters.
You can say, it's hot today.
Or it's cold.
Or it's raining.
Try it. It's hot today.
Pause.
If weather affects work, you can say, it's too hot to work.
Or, we can't work in this rain.
Try it. It's too hot to work.
Pause.
Good.
Now let's talk about directions.
Sometimes you need to tell someone where something is.
You can say, it's over there.
Or it's in the truck.
Or, it's upstairs.
Try it. It's over there.
Pause.
You can also say, to the left.
Or, to the right.
Or straight ahead.
Try it. To the left.
Pause. Perfect.
Let's hear a conversation with directions.
Where's the cement mixer?
It's outside, to the left of the entrance.
Got it. Thanks.
No problem.
See? Clear directions.
Now let's talk about teamwork.
Construction is teamwork.
You need to work together.
You can say, let's do this together.
Or, I'll help you.
Or, you take that side, I'll take this side.
Try it. Let's do this together.
Pause.
When someone helps you, say, thank you.
Or, thanks, I appreciate it.
Or, good job.
Try it. Thank you.
Pause.
Try another. Good job.
Pause.
Excellent.
Now, let's hear a teamwork conversation.
This beam is really heavy. Can you help me carry it?
Sure, you take that end, I'll take this end.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, lift.
Got it. Where are we taking it?
Over there by the wall.
All right, let's go.
Did you hear that? Perfect teamwork communication.
Clear and simple.
Now let's talk about the end of the day.
When work is finished, you can say, I'm done.
Or, I'm finished for the day.
Or, see you tomorrow.
Try it. I'm done. Pause.
Try another. See you tomorrow.
Pause. Good.
You should also clean up at the end of the day.
You can say, I'll clean up.
Or, where should I put this?
Or, I'll put the tools away.
Try it. I'll put the tools away.
Pause. Perfect.
Now let's talk about safety equipment.
Safety equipment protects you.
Hard hat.
Say, hard hat.
Pause.
Safety glasses.
Say, safety glasses.
Pause.
Gloves.
Say, gloves. Pause.
Boots.
Say, boots. Pause.
Vest.
Say, vest. Pause. Good.
If you need safety equipment, you can say, I need a hard hat.
Or, where are the gloves?
Or, do we have extra vests?
Try it. I need a hard hat.
Pause.
Perfect.
Now, let's practice some complete worksite conversations.
I'll be your supervisor.
You'll be the worker.
Ready?
Good morning. Can you work on the north wall today?
Answer. Say yes, or okay, or sure.
Pause. Do you have all the tools you need?
Answer. Say what you need, or say yes.
Pause. Okay, let me know if you need help.
Say thank you, or will do.
Pause.
Good job.
Let's try another conversation.
This time about a problem.
I'll be your coworker.
Hey, can you pass me the level?
Say where it is or pass it.
Pause. Thanks. Hey, I think this wall isn't straight.
Say, let me check or I'll tell the boss.
Pause. Yeah, you're right. Let's fix it before we continue.
Say, okay, or good idea.
Pause. Perfect.
Let's review everything from part 1 and part 2.
Safety words. Stop. Wait. Be careful. Watch out.
Tools and materials. Hammer, drill, saw, wood, concrete, metal.
Asking for help. Can you help me? Can you give me a hand?
When you don't understand, can you repeat that? Can you show me?
Breaks. When's lunch? Can I take a break?
Problems. This is broken. We need more wood.
Weather. It's hot today. It's raining.
Directions. It's over there. To the left. Straight ahead.
Teamwork. Let's do this together. Thank you. Good job.
End of day. I'm done. See you tomorrow. I'll clean up.
Safety equipment. Hard hat, safety glasses, gloves, boots, vest.
All of this is practical worksite English.
You can use it every single day.
Now, let me tell you something important.
Your English doesn't have to be perfect.
Construction is about action and teamwork.
As long as you communicate clearly, that's enough.
Short sentences are good. Simple words are good.
What matters is safety and getting the job done.
Here's your challenge for this week.
Practice these phrases out loud.
Say them while you're working.
Say them at home.
The more you practice, the more natural it becomes.
Also, try to use at least 3 English phrases at work this week.
Like good morning, or can you help me, or thank you.
Just 3 phrases. That's a good start.
And remember, it's okay to make mistakes.
Everyone makes mistakes when learning.
Your coworkers will understand.
What matters is that you're trying.
We want to say something to all construction workers.
Thank you for your hard work.
You build our cities.
You create the places where we live and work.
Your work matters.
And we're honored to help you learn English.
Thank you for learning with us today.
We hope this makes your workday easier.
Keep practicing.
Stay safe.
See you next time.
You're doing amazing work.
Really amazing.
Bye for now.
Bye.
Please subscribe to the channel.
See you next time.